it again. No one's really asked about this, but this is the question that's been bothering me since I made the first video when I got stuck in the local car wash. So today I'm going to try a different local car wash with a different system where we park the car in the stall and the system goes over the car back and forth. And we'll see if it gets stuck in here as well. I doubt it, but you never know. So let's go. Isn't this exciting? So now I'm going to drive into the stall. I'm sure no one's ever done this before. Alright, keep going, keep going. Green lights, green lights, green lights. Green light, stop! Alright, we're in position. And we have the dimensions here, what the car wash is allowed to use. It's going to be the car can be 2.38 meters wide, 2.6 meters high, and the wheelbase is 2.05 meters. I think it's done. Oh, here we go. The door is being opened. The Jimny looks brand new. Wow, look at this. And there was no problems with the system. Great news. So that wasn't that bad, was it? Looks clean. System didn't stop. So either the person who explained that to me the other time was full of it, or doesn't know what he's doing. But in any case, this looks pretty darn good. So let's drive it out of here, put the antenna back in. There's the antenna. All right, success. So there we go. Obviously, this type of system worked fine. I didn't see it stop. Went right through it. Car looks great. Got most of the parts of it. So maybe it's something to do with that other car wash system that pulled the car through. I'm not sure what the problem was, but looks good today. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe if you'd like. Send me some comments down below somewhere here. Or you can also download some of my apps I have available in the Apple iTunes Store. The link is also below there. So again, thanks for watching. And hopefully we'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.